Your Excellency, our President, Dr. William Ruto, Right Honorable Speaker, the National Assembly, the leadership of the House, honorable members, good evening. It's a joy for me to be in the same room with our young legislators. When I was informed that the President would be here tonight, I was very happy to join him. That the President would be here tonight, I was very happy to join him, because when I was in Form 3 and I was a student in biology, there were two processes, one called diffusion, another one called osmosis. The movement of molecules from low concentration to high concentration. When you get an opportunity to sit with young people, you feel more youthful. And number two, I think it's good you have heard Muhesh here calling me a doctor. I think it's because I sit near Dr. William Ruto all the time. But I think with our new administration policy on recognition of prior learning, Your Excellency, you may consider to give direction that I be, without going through the education, I be awarded a doctorate, as Muhesh has said. Mine is very simple this evening. I may not be able to do much mentorship myself on matters leadership. Maybe when I come to your constituency, I'll put a good word to the women because they normally listen to me and say you're a good person. I think the person to do the mentoring tonight is here. And I would have loved if we had given him more time. You know, myself, I've mentored a few leaders here, not on leadership. Some of you have come to me when they have challenges in their marriages. I talk to them and they settle down. Others want mentorship on how to quit drinking and become sober. Having been a serious drunkard and being a sober person, I can mentor you in that line. My role this evening is very simple, is to introduce the keynote speaker, Dr. William Ruto, who was elected as Member of Parliament for Eldoret North at the age of 31. He became an Assistant Minister at the Office of the President in charge of Internal Security at the age of 33. At the age of 35, he became the Minister for Home Affairs. Later on, he had a very good stint as Minister for Agriculture and a very impactful stay at the Ministry of Higher Education. And it is his stewardship of that ministry that today, the Tibet program that we celebrate. At the age of 46, under the new constitution, he became the first Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya. And at the age of 55, he put up one of the strongest fights in presidential elections since the advent of multipartyism, and at the age of 56 was elected as the President of the Republic of Kenya. So in matters leadership, I don't think you could have a better keynote speaker. It is therefore would be responsible on my part to continue speaking, because you need to hear from him. Let us be upstanding and welcome our keynote speaker, Dr. William Ruto, the President of the Republic of Kenya. Mr. President.
Asante sana. I think that's okay. It's okay. It's okay. You can give me the mic. I can hold it. Please, let's take our seats. Asanteni sana.